So this is extremely oversimplified, so just bear that in mind. But say, if we say that the genetic code for a long-haired dog is 2 capital A's, and then we say that the genetic code for a short-haired dog is 2 little a's, and then, so if you take 2 parent dogs, one of them has long hair and one of them has short hair, what are your possibilities? You get half your DNA from each parent, so you're going to make all of the children will have this possibility. Make sense? So we're going to call that like a medium hair length. I'm talking about hair length. All right. What if you had 2 parents with long hair? What are your options? Your only option is a long-haired child. And all the children would all be long-haired child. Same thing with these 2 up here. All the children would have this sort of medium thing. But what if the medium becomes a parent along with a long hair? Then you have a few more possibilities. You could have a long-haired child, or you could have a medium-haired child. So then you get to, so this is the genetic information in the 2 parents here that can't be changed, and that creates the genetic information here. And from that, we cannot produce a long-haired gene. The information is not there. We can't produce a short-haired gene. We only have the option of this, say, medium-haired gene. Now, obviously, it's way more complex than this. This is just an extremely simple way to explain. But you only have what the information that is there, and you can only take the variations that that information will allow. So then we get to natural selection, and say you're living in Alaska, where it's cold. What's going to happen to this guy with short hair over time? His chance of survival is going to go way down as compared to the one with long hair, because he doesn't have what his environment requires for his life to be necessarily as flourishing as the long-haired dog. So that's why we have Alaskan Huskies who have long, thick hair. So over time, it dies out. You get 2 parents with this short hair combination. They can only make short hair babies. Over time, those babies are going to die faster and faster, taking that short haired combination out of the gene pool possibilities for that area. So eventually, over time, natural selection weeds out the weaker traits, and the stronger traits survive. But there's no new information added. That's the important thing to remember.